Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, uh, in this video, we are taking a diversion, a sort of break, and to discuss something different, right? Uh, and that is not very much different, but that is related to the YouTube channel we have, and on through which we are sharing with you our experience with the VBA. And at the moment, you can see on the screen, we are our monitoring system is running, and I have already made a playlist for you, uh, which uh, uh, which consists of a number of videos related to uh, the channel monitoring and the Watchdog and the things which we have developed using VBA. So using VBA skills, you can utilize your skills to monitor your progress of your own channel. If you have a YouTube channel, you can use your VBA skills to monitor. For instance, uh, this is lessons in the VBA which we have so far created, and there are around 199 lessons, right? So you see, it is changing. It is still doing its job. It's our daily routine, the SOP, yeah, standard operating procedure, that it goes through all the file one by one, once in a day, and updates the index sheet in each file and provide the hyperlinks so that the users can uh, use the hyperlinks to link to the other videos of our the same. So this is an easy just for to provide the facility to the users so that they can easily uh, see, not only see that what are the contents so far uploaded in our channel, but also it provides a convenient link, just a hyperlink they can click, and the video should play, right? So please do let me know if you like that Watchdog thing. It not only keeps you update, but also it keeps telling me on the daily basis that how far are you from your target, right? In the shape of if you see the day my Outlook, so it generates an Outlook email also, and telling you day-to-day summary that what is happening in with respect to the channel. Also, there is an interesting aspect which I want to show you, to share with you. That is the subscribers. I have the target of 1,000 subscriber, of which almost 669 subscribers have been uh, awarded to me. Means uh, they are, yeah. So they keep on increasing gradually. It's a progress is it's progressing, right? But there are two things, as you can see, which uh, channel creators, channel managers are supposed to focus. That is, so before they can earn, yeah, the earning tab is very important to keep an eye on it, and it has some benchmark, some object means targets which are set for the creator support, and right. So and and the target is here. That this is the process progress bar. It is 669. So you have to reach until here, so that I once I get it and use one of the following. Until now, I have not used this the shorts way. I have chosen this, so of which 3,700 mean 3,732 out of 4,000 have been. So very close to get this target, right? But the subscribers are this. But our monitoring system is working, and it is on daily basis. It was before. So it is going through each and every file. These are my placed on my OneDrive, and these files are linked to the videos, right? So updating these files means making these updates available to the users so that they can see the changes, to-date changes are given. And they have a file, a sheet which tells you the latest videos listed, and they are sorted as per the most views, are on top. The 100 views when completed, so they become eligible for the advertisement, and they go viral, right? And anything less than this. So I have plenty of the videos which have passed on that. But there is one very interesting thing which, with respect to the subscribers, I want to share with you, and that is very good point I'm going to raise for those who are uh, planning to run a program, or already running a channel, or planning to be a channel runner in the YouTube. So this is going to be very helpful because this is my experience, right? If you go to the analytics, and if you see the 669, these are the, so if you go to the analytics, in the analytics tab, you get this link which shows you the detail of the subscriber. It will come in a minute. Yes, so please just bear with me. Yeah, it is taking a bit of time. So let's click it again so that it is turboed. Uh, there's no turbo. So I just want to show you that I am very much means concern about the policies of the YouTube for the for us for the channel runner. They should comply with their policy, right? So they should not do any such practice which becomes against the compliance, and causing later that may call the. So for the one incident happened on this 19th of December, that all of a sudden my subscribers went, and the number of total for subscriber increased. They got an extraordinary increase, which I am still investigating that how come it is. I wonder. Never had one or two subscribers, or 10 or 15 is fine. All the way means 1,000 subscribers if they come in here. So that is really something unusual and exceptional, which cannot be. So that happened on 19th of December. Right? On the 19th of December, I show you here, for example, we go to the analytics. Yeah. Yeah. So this is yeah. And then we go to we click here to see the live score. Right. Here you have the graph, and this is an incident happened On 18th of December, it was normally going on 628, right? And on 19, it all of a sudden, it went directly to 1289. I wonder how it came. And within the same day, means within this, so on the 20th, it went back to the normal. 632 is understandable. From 628, 632 is fine. And all the way until now, it is well. But the thing I am worrying about, that this happening is an exceptional thing, that might be an error, that might be some sort of erroneous activity by, I don't know who has done it, but this has happened. And if you ask me that how it happened, I don't know. I have no clue yet that how can it raise directly from 628 to directly 1289 and then drop down within few 24 hours, and it gets back to 632, and then until now, yes, it is going process. So that may cause some issue, and that issue, if somebody asks me from YouTube or anybody, I have no clue. I have no clue that how this can happen and how that. So let's hope that this does not create problem for me, because I don't like such activity to see, because I have very neat and clean track record from the very beginning. You can say nothing and excessive. So it shows that something unusual has happened, right? And how it has happened, who has done it, I have no clue for that. So we have to keep an eye, being a running that our graphs, our progress should be legitimate, and it should be within the uh, within the logical boundaries, and no exceptions there, right? So I am doing my best to, but this has happened. I don't know who has done it, how it has happened, and how would this can be explained, that directly jumping from 628 subscriber to directly to 1289, and now it has become a part of the history. If it had been a system error, then it should have been straight, okay, rectified, and then. But now it has become a part of the history, that is a bad stain on the track record I had. So, so uh, I request all the viewers, those who are experts, those who have experienced it, please do let me know what can I do in order to resolve this query. This is the exception which has occurred, in which I have no involvement, I have no clue that who has done it, how it has been done. So the otherwise, other than this, my progress is steady and correct, means free of any other exception. So thanks for watching, and do let me have your feedback. Thank you very much.